In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom Microsoft Forms. Quick tips. First, head to Microsoft Forms in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. You'll land on the design page where everything starts. From here, choose whether you want a blank canvas or a jump start. Select New Form for a standard survey or data collection, or pick New Quiz if you need automatic scoring and points. If you're short on time, browse the templates to get a structure you can quickly customize. With your form open, start building questions by selecting Add New. You can mix and match multiple choice for quick selections, text for open-ended responses, rating scales for satisfaction, date for scheduling, and ranking when you want people to prioritize options. As you add each question, write clear prompts and concise choices. If a question is critical, mark it as required so you don't miss key information. Next, make your form look polished. Click the style icon to choose a theme, apply preloaded color palettes, or upload a personalized background image. Keep readability in mind. High contrast colors and simple imagery help participants focus and improve accessibility. If your form is getting long, use sections to break it into smaller pages. Give each section a short title and description so people know what's coming next. This structure guides respondents through the form and reduces fatigue, which usually leads to better completion rates and cleaner data. To tailor the experience, open the three-dot menu and choose branching. Branching lets you direct people to specific follow-up questions based on their answers. For example, if someone selects yes, you can send them to a deeper set of questions, and if they select no, you can skip ahead. This keeps the form relevant for each person and shortens the path to submission. Now fine-tune the essentials under the settings gear icon. Decide who can fill out the form, whether it's limited to your organization or open to anyone with the link. Add a friendly thank you message that appears after submission, and set start and end dates if you're running the form for a defined window. If you're building this with a team, select Collaborate to invite colleagues to help edit. This is perfect for reviewing wording, coverage, and consistency before you share it broadly. When you're ready to launch, choose Collect Responses. You can share a link, generate a QR code for print or screens, or send the form by email. That's it. Your custom Microsoft form is ready to go.